Welcome back as we next discuss roller chains. Unlike wedge and V-belts, a roller chain makes a positive mechanical connection with the driver and driven devices, known as sprockets. A sprocket is simply a gear-like component designed to engage with the chain's rolling components. In its basic form, a roller chain consists of a series of interconnecting links. Three types of links are incorporated into a typical chain, namely an outer link, an inner link, and a connecting link, also known as a master link. The inner link houses the rolling components, which engage into the teeth of the sprockets. The inner link comprises a side bar, into which two hollow bushes are pressed, and onto the bushes are fitted the rollers. A second sidebar is fitted and secured with a press fit of the bushes into the sidebar drillings. The outer link comprises a sidebar into which two pins are pressed and riveted. The pins are made to slip fit into the hollow bushings of the inner links. An outer link always connects between two inner links. A second outer link sidebar is then press-fitted over the pins. The pins are then normally riveted to the outer sidebar. For convenience of fitting on-site, a master link in the form of a modified outer link is used to connect the two ends of a chain length. The outer sidebar is secured with a retaining clip. Roller chains can be obtained in various forms or types, the most popular being simplex or single, double or duplex, and triple or triplex types. Sprockets are manufactured to suit each type. Further considerations when describing a chain are the pitch and size dimensions. The term pitch describes the distance between the centers of adjacent pins. A chain's length is often described by its number of pitches. Standard roller chains are manufactured in various pitches, ranging from 4 mm up to around 90 mm. A chain's size refers to the roller width. Standard industrial sizes range from 6 mm up to around 40 mm. Sprockets are made to match both pitch and roller width. A gauge of a sprocket's pitch can be made by comparing teeth pitch to the chain pitch. Measuring the width of a tooth should compare to the size of an inner link with a small amount of side play. Another commonly used chain type is the so-called double pitch, which in this application is used to convey pallets, but can also be used for many other applications that involve low speeds or light loads. As its name implies, a double pitch chain has twice the pitch distance of a standard roller chain, seen here by comparison. Notice how the rollers engage only every second sprocket tooth. This effectively prolongs sprocket life. In operation, all roller chains require two major conditions, namely proper lubrication and correct tensioning. Lubrication in the form of light grease or oil is necessary to prevent metal-to-metal contact between the various parts. The periodic cleaning and relubricating of a chain forms part of normal maintenance on such drives. Tensioning a chain really means ensuring that the sag of the chain between sprockets is never excessive. A floppy chain will tend to jump the sprocket, resulting in damage and maybe injury to personnel. If set too tight, excessive wear will occur and distortion of the pins could result in the chain parting under load, also causing damage and personal injury. Setting the tension, or sag, correctly is also part of normal maintenance on such drives. Many chain drives are equipped with automatic tensioning devices which, once correctly set, eliminate the need to stop a machine for tension checks. The tensioning device also acts as a shock absorber, preventing the chain from being damaged through sudden shock loading. After the break, we shall discuss safety when working on or around belt and chain drives.